Last week, we talked about awareness. We talked about why most people stay stuck in learning mode. Why being busy is not the same as being productive. And why repetitive tasks hide real opportunity. But awareness alone changes nothing. Execution does. This week, we move. Not into complexity. Not into big promises. Into simple execution. Most people don't fail. Default text. Because they lack tools. They fail. Because they stay in preparation mode. They watch. They research. They compare. They plan. It feels productive. It feels safe. But nothing is built. Preparation is comfortable. Execution is uncomfortable. Growth only lives in one of them. It is not a startup. It is not a SaaS product. It is not something massive. It is something small. Something real. Something launchable. This layer exists to move you from thinking to producing, from consuming to creating, from planning to shipping. Most people aim too high. They want scale before stability. But if you skip small execution, you skip skill building. Small execution teaches you how to define value, how to communicate clearly, how to face rejection, how to improve fast, without repetition. Confidence never forms. Confidence follows action, not the other way around. This week is structured, not random. Each short video is part of one system. Let's connect them. You don't need funding. You need clarity. Businesses already waste time on repetitive tasks, writing descriptions, editing content, answering routine emails, formatting documents. AI speeds up the task. You package the speed. That's the opportunity. The tool is not the business. The saved time is the value. If someone gains 5 hours every single week, that matters. Execution means turning saved time into a clear offer, not a vague promise, a defined outcome. Anyone can use AI. Few people package it well. Instead of saying, I use AI to help businesses, you say, I deliver 30 optimized product descriptions within 48 hours. Clear, specific, measurable. Clarity builds trust. We are not building complexity. We are building momentum. This week's goal is not perfection. It is launch. Launch creates feedback. Feedback creates improvement. Improvement creates growth. Here is the structure. Step 1. Identify one repetitive task. Not 5. Not 10. 1. Step 2. Simplify it with AI. Make it faster. Make it consistent. Make it repeatable. Step 3. Package it clearly. Define the outcome. Define the time frame. Define the result. Step 4. Offer it to real people. Send messages. Start conversations. Expect silence. Expect rejection. That's part of the process. Step 5. Improve from reality. Reality sharpens you. Feedback refines you. Iteration builds skill. Skill builds confidence. You don't need mastery. You need movement. This year is structured. Foundation first. Execution second. Expansion later. But none of it works if this layer is skipped. This week is simple on purpose. Because simplicity removes excuses. Stop preparing. Start building. Choose one task. Simplify it. Package it. Offer it. That's week 2. And that's where real progress begins.
Nothing changes until you move.